Time now for your retirement in perspective. You know that a shopping list isn't the same as a recipe. I'm here with Bob Horn. He's the CEO and president of NuVenture Financial Group. You know, Bob, you say that the same thing is true when it comes to our finances. Having a list of assets is not the same thing as having a retirement plan.
Yeah, so Danielle, believe it or not, it's no secret that I am not a great chef. I don't cook very well, but I am very confident in my ability to develop a good, sound financial plan. So if we look at this in that situation, so a shopping list would be equivalent to an inventory of your assets, your investments, if you will. But the recipe is equivalent to a financial plan. And just like you can feel the love in a good meal, you can also see the love in a really good financial plan. And it really tells you how much and what order to use those ingredients. This is why I suggest always working with a retirement planner in retirement and not just a financial advisor.